Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to add Outlook calendar to Google Calendar. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Google Calendar and let's add something new. How to add it to Outlook calendar, we need to get same thing in that as well. So let's click on these three dots and click on settings and save. Now scroll down and we can see the secret address in iCloud format. Simply copy this. Now let's get to Outlook calendar. Now choose the calendar you like to add, or let's go on and click on add calendar. Now let's click on subscribe from web. Simply paste the URL you have just copied and name it. And simply click on import. Here we can see the added schedule now. So the Google Calendar and the Outlook calendar has been added. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.